Milo, Milo, what's that smile? Yummy crumbs all in a pile. Milo says, oh no, oh no. Hands go hide, head goes low. Mama says, what did you eat? Milo says, just veggies, neat. Mama laughs, let's take a look. Milo giggles, eyes go shook. Choco, choco on your face. Sticky fingers, funny trace. Milo wipes and says, oops me. Laughing loud, 1, 2, 3. Papa asks, did you share? Milo nods, yes I care. Sharing snacks makes hearts feel bright. Smiles grow big with pure delight. Milo, Milo, tell me true. Honest words feel good to you. Milo says I had a bite. Truth shines happy, clean and light. Wash, wash hands, scrub a dub. Soap makes bubbles, rub a rub. Milo sings while hands go clean. Sparkly fingers, fresh and keen. Brush, brush teeth before we play. Keep the sugar bugs away. Milo smiles, shiny and bright. Healthy habits feel just right. Clean up time, toys say please. Back to boxes 1 by 3. Milo helps with happy cheer. Tidy room feels calm and clear. Say, I'm sorry, say thank you. Magic words are kind and true. Milo hugs and waves hello. Love and kindness help us grow. Milo, Milo, lesson done. Being honest is more fun. Big warm hugs and smiles all around. Happy hearts make joyful sound.